Pearson here with MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and this is our 2018 Sea Ray 250 SDX. As you can see right now, I'm on the swing platform that's got sea deck. It also has a retractable, submersible platform. There is easy access to your batteries, as well as easy access to storage for any water toys you might have. Coming along through our transom, you can see that we have storage in the floor. Second stereo receiver, easy access while in the water so you don't have to climb aboard. You got your battery switch, small cooler. Now as we step into the cockpit of the boat, you can see there's a lot of lounge seating. This one in particular, convertible, so while you're at the sandbar, you can lounge back, take in the sun. While you're underway, you now can sit forward. As you see in our cockpit as well, we have our infinity woven flooring, large ski locker in the floor as well. Now coming to our helm, we got our gauges, all our switches, our stereo here, as well as our Mercury active trim. Now in our head compartment, it acts as a midship sleeper cabin with a lot of room for storage or you need to get out of the elements. Now walking to the bow, there's a lot of room for lounging out while you're at the sandbar, or you can sit up here while underway. Stainless steel grab bar for extra safety. Up here we also have a cooler, our beach boarding ladder with anchor, and under these seats we also have additional storage. Again, I'm Pearson here with MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and this was our 2018 Sea Ray 250 SDX. If you want to know about this boat or any other boat here we have on our lot, give me a call at 609-207-3325. Thank you.